In a galaxy teeming with life, Dr. Lena Hoffman's breakthrough was about to change everything. As the xenobotanist stepped into the airlock of the research vessel, she clutched the device that would bridge the gap between two vastly different forms of life. The implications of her discovery were staggering, and the universe held its breath in anticipation. For decades, humans had traversed the stars, encountering countless alien species, but none quite like the sentient plants of the Chloros system. These towering, iridescent beings had remained an enigma, their thoughts and intentions shrouded in mystery. That is, until now. Dr. Hoffman's journey had begun years ago, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a knack for deciphering the language of life itself. She had spent countless hours studying the intricate patterns and vibrations emitted by the Chloros plants, convinced that there was more to their existence than mere photosynthesis. As a child, Lena had always been fascinated by the wonders of the natural world. She would spend hours exploring the lush forests near her home, marveling at the intricate ecosystems and the delicate balance that governed them. As she grew older, her passion for the living world only intensified, leading her to pursue a career in xenobotany. When the opportunity to study the sentient plants of the Chloros system presented itself, Dr. Hoffman jumped at the chance. She knew that this was her moment to make a difference, to unravel the mysteries that had eluded scientists for so long. The journey to the Chloros system was long and arduous, but Dr. Hoffman's determination never wavered. She spent every waking moment poring over the data she had collected, analyzing the patterns and frequencies that seemed to hold the key to communication. Finally, after months of tireless work, she had a breakthrough. The device she had created, a complex amalgamation of technology and biological components, was ready for its first test. As she stepped onto the alien soil, the weight of her discovery pressed upon her shoulders. The device in her hands, a culmination of years of research and countless sleepless nights, hummed with potential. With a deep breath, she activated the translator and watched as the shimmering leaves of the nearest plant began to pulse with an ethereal glow. "Greetings," a gentle voice emanated from the device, its tone reminiscent of rustling leaves and gentle breezes. "We have waited long for this moment." Dr. Hoffman's heart raced as she replied, her voice trembling with excitement. "I am honored to finally communicate with you. I am Dr. Lena Hoffman, a scientist from Earth." The plant's response was immediate, its words filled with wisdom and curiosity. "We have observed your kind from afar, marveling at your tenacity and ingenuity. Your presence here marks the beginning of a new era, one of understanding and cooperation between our species." As the conversation unfolded, Dr. Hoffman realized that the Chloros plants possessed a vast repository of knowledge, their roots extending far beyond the confines of their world. They spoke of ancient civilizations, long-forgotten histories, and the delicate balance that governed the universe. The Chloros plants revealed that they had been aware of humanity's presence in the galaxy for centuries, observing from a distance as the curious species ventured further into the cosmos. They had witnessed the triumphs and the struggles, the moments of great courage and the times of deep sorrow. But what had truly captured their attention was humanity's resilience and adaptability. Despite the countless challenges and setbacks, humans had never given up, always pushing forward, always seeking new frontiers to explore. The plants spoke of their own history, of the great cataclysms that had nearly wiped out their species eons ago. They had survived through sheer determination and a deep connection to the life force that flowed through the universe. As Dr. Hoffman listened, she realized that the Chloros plants held the key to unlocking some of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Their understanding of the intricate web of life that connected all beings was unparalleled, and their wisdom could guide humanity towards a brighter future. The implications of this breakthrough were immense. With the ability to communicate with the sentient plants, humanity stood on the brink of a new era of diplomacy and trade. The Chloros plants held the key to revolutionary advancements in medicine, technology, and even space travel. As news of Dr. Hoffman's discovery spread, delegations from across the galaxy flocked to the Chloros system, eager to establish ties with these enigmatic beings. The once silent forests now buzzed with the exchange of ideas and the forging of alliances. Species that had once viewed each other with suspicion and mistrust now found common ground, united by the wisdom of the Chloros plants. The galaxy was changing, and humanity was at the forefront of this great transformation. Dr. Hoffman watched as her life's work blossomed into a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the human spirit. In the face of the unknown, she had dared to reach out, to bridge the divide between two vastly different forms of life. And in doing so, she had opened the door to a future filled with endless possibilities. As she looked up at the towering plants, their leaves shimmering in the alien sunlight, Dr. Hoffman knew that this was only the beginning. The universe had just become a little bit smaller, and a whole lot more incredible. In the years that followed, Dr. Hoffman continued her work, delving deeper into the mysteries of the Chloros plants and their connection to the greater cosmos. She became a beacon of hope and inspiration, a symbol of what humanity could achieve when it dared to dream beyond the stars. And as the galaxy watched, marveling at the wonders that unfolded before them, they knew that they were witnessing the dawn of a new era, one in which the boundaries between species and worlds had forever been shattered. For in the end, it was not the vastness of space or the might of technology that had brought about this great change, but the courage and compassion of a single human being, willing to reach out and touch the unknown. As Dr. Hoffman stood beneath the shimmering canopy of the Chloros forest, she knew that her journey was far from over. There were still so many mysteries to unravel, so many wonders to discover. But for now she could bask in the glory of this moment, knowing that she had played a small but vital role in the great tapestry of the universe. And as the gentle whispers of the sentient plants filled the air, Dr. Hoffman smiled, knowing that the future was bright and full of promise, and that humanity would never be the same again.